Okay, we're broadcasting. Okay. Did you have any questions about this last one?
I think for the most part, I had to read it a couple of times,
Mm-hmm.
but I think I've understood now.
Okay.
It's taking a while, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I had so many questions. I think it's just a matter of like figuring out how to use the Google Sheets or the like Excel.
The Excel, yes. That was my trouble. I kept on reading the instructions and I'm like, I don't understand what they want me to do. But yeah, that was my hardest. Yeah.
I think that was the only thing that was like super difficult. But is there anything you wanted to talk about before we did the quiz?
I don't think so. I think I'm good right now.
Yeah. I also think I'm good. Let me see if I can share my screen with you.
Okay.
I'm not exactly sure how this works.
I saw it for a minute and then
If I can you see it now?
I can see it, yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, I guess we'll just start this then. I completed the individual preparation assignment. Yes. I actively participated in this week's group meeting. Yes. Oh, I forgot to save that one. Okay. You will need the following data file. Wrong site, wrong patient. When calculating anything, please remember to round to 3 decimal places. Unless otherwise specified, do not round until your calculation is complete. Okay. Sometimes I wish I had like 2 computers so I could have like one thing on one computer and one thing on another. Now you don't have to keep switching. Okay. Let's open this one. I'm gonna minimize that one. Okay. So it says, okay. On rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of a patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip conducted a study on these mistakes and lawsuits that follow the data in the wrong site, wrong patient Excel sheet. Represent the amount in US dollars hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site, wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating that the hospital won the legal battle. So, source 1. JAMA surgery. Okay, I'm not exactly sure. Like, what are all these numbers right here? Oh, that's wrong site. Wrong
site and the wrong patient.
So we're using these, the wrong site ones.
Yeah.
And we have to find the mean.
Mm-hmm.
of all of these.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Um,
So let's see. I had this one up earlier to do the means, but I couldn't figure out how to like paste them all at the same time.
oh, okay.
So like if I want to paste all of these into here,
Mhm. If you
I
click
don't,
where it says A, does it highlight them all on the other one?
on
The
this
one,
one,
yeah. So you
yeah.
so copy them, and then I think you have to highlight the other ones. And
Whoa. Does that work?
yeah,
What's the first number? Oh, that's cool. Okay. I could not figure out how to do that earlier, and I was like putting them in one by one. It was driving me nuts.
oh my gosh,
Anyways. Okay,
that
so the mean, it was so tedious. I was like, I'm so done right now.
yeah.
Okay. So 80,041 2.243. Yeah?
80,041.243.
Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. So it'd probably just be 80,041. Right?
Yeah, because 0.2, yeah. 80,041.
Okay. Find the mean or find the median amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Okay. This is the median. Wrong site. Yep.
Yeah.
So the median is 68,552.
And then
Find
find the standard deviation.
of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits. So 71,404?
Yeah, because it's 0.82, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
404. Okay. Okay, use the following information to answer the next 5 questions. Hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represent their survival times in months. So this is like one person, they lived for 5 months. Is that what that's saying?
Yeah,
And this person lived for 19 months.
right. And
They
then
were
the
doing
other one. And 3 months.
What is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients? It would just be those 4 divided by 4, right?
Yes.
I'm just gonna calculator. 5 plus 19 plus 1 plus 3 equals 28 divided by
7.
4. So 7 months. What is the median survival time in months? It would be 5 plus 3 divided by 2, which is 4.
Mm-hmm.
If you were to compute the variance by hand, The following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Okay.
I have my calculator. Oh, it's right there.
Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled A. So what exactly is the big X again?
So the big X would be the 19 months. And then we subtract the mean. 19 minus, what did we say the mean was?
7.
7. So 19 minus 7, 12.
So the X is the mean?
Yeah, the X with the line on top of it. What do they call it?
Yeah, the X with the line on top of it is the mean.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. So yeah, 19 minus 7, which is 12. Yeah. Okay. And then give the number that would be entered into the space labeled B. So it'd be 12. Oh no, it's just a different one. Okay, so it'd be 1 minus 7 squared.
That's negative 6.
So negative
Yes.
6 squared would be 36.
36.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the standard deviation of the survival times? Give your answer in months, rounded to the nearest tenth.
I think we actually have to fill in the rest then.
Are we supposed to do the standard deviation by hand?
Yeah. I think we are in this one.
Okay, well.
So the first one would be, let's see. So 5 minus 7, 2.
So just to refresh my mind, for the standard deviation, you have to fill in all of these, right?
Yeah, so column 2 and
column
then
3?
column 3. Uh-huh.
Okay.
And I'm under the impression we add them up, right? After we find all of column 3, we add up all of column 3.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Standard deviation. I don't know what happened to all those then. And not find this.
It says round to the nearest 10th.
I remember seeing that had built the deviation and bottom. I can't find it.
I think it's further down.
Further down?
Yeah. A little bit further.
Nope.
Oh, a little bit further, yeah.
Calculating standard deviation by hand. Okay.
Oh, go up.
So do we have to draw a number line?
No. Okay, go down again. Sorry. It was you were going right. A little bit further because they show an exact like chart like the one we're on right now. Yeah, you see. So there's column 1 and 2.
So we find the deviation. Sorry. Where are those?
Right there. Right. Yeah, click results for step 3.
Yes. Okay. But
So
there's no
that's
here.
oh, and then you have to do step 4. Click on step 4.
Oh. Yes. Okay. Alrighty then. So I just want to, I'm gonna do that. And I'm just gonna do it down here. Okay. Have 5, or let's just do, what is it? 5 minus 7, so it'd be -2. -2. -2 squared is 4.
Yeah.
And then we do, that one was 12. 12 squared is 144.
Right.
Oopsies. Okay, 1 minus 7 would be -6. We did that one. It would be 36. And then 3 minus 7 would be -4. So that one would be 16. So then we just add them together.
Yeah.
So it'd be,
It just confused me because in there it's like round to the nearest tenth, and I'm getting like 200 is what I got.
0. Because -6 plus -2 is -12. -12 plus 12 is 0.
Yeah.
Then 20, 164, 170, 200?
Yeah. 200. And the 200 is the standard deviation, right?
You know, oh man, where'd that one go? Let's just, for purposes only, we'll just delete those, and we'll do, what are the numbers?
Numbers are 5,
5,
19,
5, 19, and 3. Standard deviation is 8.6. Oh, wait. Are we supposed to? I think we're supposed to. What? That doesn't make sense. Okay, well.
It doesn't. Standard deviation.
Sample standard deviation. So are we supposed to take the square root of 200?
You're right.
Let's see. Can I not do a square root on this little calculator? Yeah, I don't think I can. Let me see. That's still 14.142. But that's the sample variance.
To square root. Yeah.
We have to square root the 14 point. We have to like double square it. Like let's square it again.
Then that's
Okay. That didn't.
0.76.
What'd you say it was?
3.76.
Well, that doesn't give us the right answer either. Because the mean is 7. That's right. So if we have the mean right, then this is right, which means we have to figure out how to get 8.164. Wait, what is this dividing n minus 1?
I think that's the variance or something.
Divide the sum of the squared deviations by n minus 1. Write this at the bottom of your column 3 of your table. So what would be our n? It would be our sum, right?
It would be we divide the sum of the square deviation by n minus 1. What does it stand? It's 8.16. Is that what it shows there?
Yeah, 8.16. Yeah, I don't know.
And we're sure that negative times a negative squared is a positive.
You know, I am pretty sure. Let's check. What do I do? Let's do, how do I do negative on here? Invert.
Does it let you put the like subtraction sign before the number?
Oh, I guess I can do that. Yeah. Let's do -6 and then squared. That's square root.
Oh, yeah, I think it was on the other. You clicked something else and it took me. Gave some other options.
Well, -6 squared is just -6 times -6, so let's just do times -6. Yeah, that's 36.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, let's read the. Oh no. Let me go back to that. Where'd it go? I can't believe I just closed out of that. Okay. Let's just read the question again. What is the standard deviation of survival times? Okay. I was so confused on like what our n would be because maybe we have our n wrong.
Yeah. Let me see.
That's step 6. Here's step 1. Step 1. Okay. So we have our deviation.
Right, so we're doing 5 minus 7 because 7's the mean.
Yep.
So that's -2. 19 minus 7, 12. 1 minus 7, -6. 3 minus 7, -4. So we have all of column 2, which is deviation from the mean.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's when we get the sum of 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Use
that's funny.
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we got column 2. And
Yes,
then column 3, square deviation from the mean.
Yes. So we squared that. And then we added it up. So the sum of our squared deviations is 200. So now divide the sum of the squared deviations by n minus 1. But what is n?
The n is the amount of patients. So 4.
So
4 minus 1, 3. So we divide 200 by 3?
So 200 divided by equals 66.6666. Okay. So square root of answer 8.1. Oh, we did it.
Yay! Okay. Sum it all up. Okay.
Okay. So 8 point rounds to the nearest tenth. So 8.2.
3.2. Mm-hmm.
Oh. For the next 3 questions, give 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit. Let me minimize that and just delete those. Okay, wrong patient. What is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit?
It's the other one you had before.
This one?
Yeah. Right? Because the minimum, the quadrant, or what is it? The Q1 quadrant. The median, the Q3, and the maximum, those are the 5 numbers, right?
Oh. Yes.
So we need to input the data again.
Where's the 5 numbers?
Right there.
So the minimum, the first quartile, the second quartile. So it would be, oh, cool. So I can just put this in here.
Second quartile, yeah. Yeah.
So if I click on B,
Mm-hmm.
I copy and click on A, and then paste. The minimum would be 0. Let's move this back over here. Give a number. What is the first number? So 0.
Yeah.
Okay, that was easy. What is the second number? It would be the first quartile, right? 25.
Yes.
25th percentile. So 3,900.
Because up there, oh, is that what it says? I don't know. 3,900, yeah, because it's the first quartile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's the 50th percentile.
Mm-hmm.
So 18,882. Sorry. That's annoying. Okay. Okay. Where'd it go? 18882. Okay, Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the US. Individuals can go to a Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent at a Redbox. Answer the next 3 questions based on the following box plot. So what is the third quartile of the Redbox decision times? Give an estimated number. So
So the very bottom line, that's the minimum, right?
yeah.
And then the first line is the quadrant. Why do I keep on saying quadrant? The
Quartile.
whatever. The quartile. Okay. Yeah, quartile 1. And then the second. So the third line.
So are we reading it like this is right here where my mouse is? This is the quartile 1. This is the median, and this is quartile 3.
Yeah. Right?
So quartile 3 would be like 180, 190.
180, 190. I mean, how accurate do we have
So
to estimate, you know? Like,
yeah, I don't know. I'd say like
when I,
190.
yeah, okay,
Yeah.
that sounds good. What is the longest observed time of the Redbox customers in this study? So that would be that very top line, like above 700.
So like 710.
Yeah.
Based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean?
Huh.
We can't determine that, can we? Or can we?
So, um, the mean, no, no, no. This is,
I don't know if we can do the mean. Um,
I don't know either. Because that's an average, but we don't have actual numbers, right?
yeah. So it's like you don't know what you should divide it by.
Yeah.
So I would say you can't determine it from a box plot,
Okay.
right? I don't
Yeah.
know. I guess we'll see. I think that was all of them. Well, are we ready to submit it?
Yeah. Here goes nothing, huh?
Submitting quizzes always makes me so nervous.
I know, me too. And then it asks you so many times, like, are you sure? And I'm like, no, I'm not sure. Just do
Yeah,
it.
like, it asks you 3 times, and I'm like, okay, you're just making me doubt myself here. Like,
Yeah.
okay, got 1 point. Okay, there's another. Pretty good so far. Okay, we missed this one.
The fourth number.
Oh, what is the fourth number? Not the third. Did the third one.
Oh, so the map. No, wait.
Wrong. Let's go back and do it again. We have one. We have 2 attempts, and we can just change that one.
Because it's asking for the fourth number. There's
Which
five
would be
total numbers.
75, 75th percentile.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
So true, true. Wait a second. This is lesson 2. I don't want to do this one. We got 100 on
Oh,
that one. My bad. We'll have to fix that later. Oh well. Okay. This is crazy. Okay. Let's see. Do you have your quiz up?
yeah.
Okay. What was the question 3's answer?
Question 3. That was. Oh, I'm like, where is it? 80,041.
Oh yeah, I do remember that. Okay, question 4.
Question 4. That one was 68,552.
68,000.
Mm-hmm.
552. Okay, question 5.
Question 5. That one was 71,404.
Okay. Mean survival time was 7, right?
Yes.
And then this one was 4. Question 7 was 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This one was 12.
Number 8 was, 12.
Number 9 was
30.
36.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
And then number 10, 8.2.
oh, yeah. That one we debated over forever. Okay. First number would be 0. The second number was 3,900.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth number. Okay, let me go back. The fourth number would be the 75th percentile. So 50,145. 50,000. Oops, I'm not typing.
1.5. Does it say to give a decimal place?
It says round to the nearest cent. So
50,145 point. Is that 5 or what is it?
where is it? Yeah, 0.5.
That's,
Could we put the 0.5?
is that the nearest cent? Yes, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because $50,145.50.
Mm-hmm.
I sure hope so. We'll do
Me
1,
too.
7, 10, and this cannot be determined. Okay. Let's just go for it. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, we were right. Sweet.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yay.
I'm glad that's over. Okay. These quizzes stress me out, man.
They do.
Okay. Let's stop screen sharing. Okay, do we have any more questions or you
We're
want to
good.
talk about anything else
I think
before
we're
we?
good, right?
Yeah, we just have to do our homework assignments and our quizzes by Saturday night. Right? Today's 18th.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then I think you just have to share the link, right, for this?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I will figure out how to do that.
And just put both of our names.
Yeah.
You know. Okay.
Awesome.
Sounds
Well,
good.
I will see you on Tuesday then at
Yeah.
6:30. This time I swear it'll be at 6:30.
Okay. All right.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.